Today, I'd like to talk about the close of escrow because in the Arizona Association of Realtors purchase contract, it mentions escrow over 35 times. What is it and what does it mean? Hi, I'm Gordon Baker with RE/MAX Alliance Group. Now, the close of escrow is defined as the recording of the transaction at the county recorder's office and simultaneous transfer of ownership. It's going to mean different things to the buyer and to the seller. To the buyer, it means finally receiving the keys and to get into their new home. To the seller, it's mean receiving the funds from the sale of the home. Now remember, Arizona is an escrow state, not an attorney state. So signing the final documents from the escrow company is not the close of escrow. The signing of the documents always precedes the close of escrow, possibly by up to 3 days before. Some important points for both the seller and the buyer. For the seller, any agreed upon repairs must be completed at least 3 days prior to the close of escrow and evidenced by paid receipts or invoices. The utilities can be scheduled to be shut off effective the closing date. And the house must be vacant since the seller will deliver occupancy and possession of the house effective the close of escrow. And leave behind any house keys, remotes, mailbox keys, and a really nice touch would be a list of names and contact numbers of services such as a landscaper or a pool company. Now for the buyer, make sure and perform a pre-closing walkthrough prior to the close, preferably before you sign. Transfer in any necessary funds such as the closing costs or down payment to the escrow company before the close of escrow. And the escrow company will have those final figures for you. And make sure and have the utilities transferred into the buyer's name effective the closing date. And schedule any items to be delivered after the close. The last thing you want to have happen is to have a moving truck show up at 8 a.m. in the morning and it doesn't close until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's going to be a major headache. I hope this has been helpful for you to understand the importance of the close of escrow and activities surrounding it. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, I'm Gordon Baker with RE/MAX Alliance Group, 480-326-8571. The funds transfer into your bank account. Now remember, Arizona is to the seller, it's watching their bank account go up. You idiot. Be vacant